Hello guys, so today we'll be doing this Tunisian knit stitch. We can use 3mm hook or 4mm hook. So for me to achieve this tightness and neatness, I would like to use 3mm. To start with slip stitch, then but you're still going to keep a little bit loose, and chain 6, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So at the back of the chain you can see those bumps. You'll skip the first bumps and you'll go insert your hook on the second bumps and then pull up a loop. You can see my tension here. We have to keep this a little bit loose, and then insert your hook in the second bump, pull up a loop. So you'll be doing this in all of the chain. Pull up a loop, insert your hook, pull up a loop. Sorry. So now we have 2, 4, and 6 loops on our hook. So the first loop we'll be going to yarn over and do the first chain, just do the chain 1, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and the last one, pull through 2 loops. So as you can see, we have these bars here. If you pull it a little bit, you'll see this. We call this a bar stitch. So this is the front bar and this is the back bar here. So we're going to skip this first bar here and then insert our hook on the second bar. Here is in between those bars, so through the back, all through the back, and then pull up a loop. And we'll do this on the third bar, in between, through the back, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops, and then insert your hook in between, pull up a loop, insert, pull up a loop. So that you can see here on our last stitch, we have this 3. We have 3 here. So if you stretch it a little bit, this is our first chain here. So we're going to insert our hook all through those 2 loops at the end here. Okay, then pull up a loop. So you will know that you are on the right track. Just count how many loops on the hook you get. You should always have 6 loops on the hook. So yarn over and chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and 2, 2. So this is what we had here now. So continue this. In between of the bars, insert your hook, pull up a loop. Between the bars, insert the hook, pull up a loop. Insert, pull up a loop. So just stretch. If you're a little bit confused, just stretch it and you will see those 2 bars. So insert and pull up a loop. Again, at the end, you will see these 2 stitches here. Insert your hook through 2 loops, stitch, and then yarn over and pull up a loop. So we have 2, 4, and 6 stitches on our hook. Always, you should always have 6 loops on your hook. So yarn over and chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Just repeat this until the end. Pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So yes, here is, you can see those V shape. V stitch is already forming. See? This one. So you just continue this pattern. It's so easy and clean. So if you get into the end, if you already had the measurement that you want, how long it is, and then you're just going to chain, yarn over, insert your hook, then just chain, single crochet at the end. Insert to the 2 stitch, then chain 1 slip stitch. So there you go. You can also do other way. So insert your hook. So we just do this first and yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. You can just end like this too. Just a little bit, give a little bit of tension at the end, so will look nice. Yeah. So I hope you understand, and it will help you, especially for those who have purchased my 2 pattern, alpine butterfly top and infinity butterfly top. So I hope you guys like it and give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe, and for those who haven't yet saw my pattern, you can DM me on my page, Alphyne Creation, FB page, and then you can just support me by buying my pattern. It's so easy to follow, and yeah, I hope you would like it. Thank you guys.